Hello everyone, this is regarding the e-sign mandate process. Please log in to your DGO accounts. Go to mandate book tab and go to new mandate. Please select the template first. Then come to the e-sign details box and select the mode as default for e-signing. Then come to e-sign request form and type your email ID here. This will be the email ID where you will receive all the OTPs and links related to e-sign process. Once this is done, go to the first box that is mandate details and fill in the customer details. Customer reference number. Please enter the loan account number of the customer. Maximum amount. Please enter the loan amount sanction. Start date. Please select the first EMI date. End date you can leave blank. Customer details. Full name. Please enter the customer full name. Customer mobile number. Please enter the mobile number which is linked to the customer's Aadhaar card number. Customer email and PAN can leave blank. Account type savings. Account number. Please enter the customer correct account number as per the security checks given. Bank name. Please select the bank name from the drop down list. Please enter the IFSC code. As you can see, we have filled all the details of the customer. Now please scroll down and save the form. As you save the form, we can see the form of the dashboard. To e-sign this form, please go to the right hand side arrow and click on sign OTP. Once you click on sign OTP, please select proceed with email verification code and click continue. Once this is done, you may receive an OTP in your mail. These mails from DGO can be in your junk or updates or spam or even in inbox. Please check your mail. I have received my email verification code. I am going to copy this code and paste the same. Once you enter the code, click on submit. You can maximize this window. Please verify the customer bank account details and click on e-sign now. Please authorize the Aadhaar process and enter the customer Aadhaar card number here. Once you enter the customer Aadhaar card number, click on send OTP. The customer will receive an OTP. You can call the customer and ask for the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, please click on verify OTP. As you can see, the form has been signed now. This was the form which is signed, and now you can log out. Thank you.